Going down by the old ruins now. I ain't been by the old ruins in over 2 years almost. High tide, you can go anywhere today. Back there. See where the old ruins got for me. See the old ruins coming up there. Old ruins. Alright, that's where we're going. I can catch one of them jumby slave bone fish from back in the day. And I'm gonna go to South Caicos, refuel, buy some lobster for Corn and Jenny and my house, and just buy some fried chicken. Later, here comes the ruin. I know you be down in these areas too, but I ain't been here in a while. Just feel like exploring today, man. Fuck it, you know. Later. Here the ruins. Looking fishy. Seeing some fish. Caught some already. Got some big ones by Southern Bush. Meet one little line along there. Big school, but you know, I ain't come out here to do no schoolies. I'm looking for some dragons. Just grab a couple and move on. There's the ruins. Tear up on fishing here for that year, both sides. Fucking shit up. These things we gotta document before the time has passed. We're deep at the top end of East Caicos. There's some ancient ruins from back in the plantation days with cotton and sisal and all of that stuff. Look at that wall. Look how big that wall is. How many people got beat to build that fucking wall? Look at the rock in that wall. Look how high that wall is. A lot of people died making that wall, boy. There's the ruin. That's too close. Alright, I normally cap off this little mouth here and see if anybody coming out. Tide so high they deep up in there. So I'm gonna stop here a little while, eat a sneaker and drink a Perrier or a Gatorade. She's falling down. That was somebody's house properly fenced in, boy. Some other wall you get fucking lead in you, most likely back in the day. Look at the conch shells. It was always conch, boy. All them old conch shells. Always was conch. Alright. I ain't hear no donkeys yet today. I was a little disappointed in how that North Shore looked. Looked like the hurricane tear it up. I saw a lot of big sand bays up in there the last time I checked it on Google Maps. Probably because it's high tide too. Saw some big fish running up in it, but with this tide, those areas has to be worked with low coming in and almost low going out. That's my conclusion on there. But I'm in my old stomping grounds now, so I'm gonna grab a few and head over to South Caicos in a bit. Refuel. Alright. Peace. All the high land. Fast land in East Caicos, boys. Y'all better buy some of this shit before the white man get it. Alright.